Let's see what he says. Well, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be taking the venture to take Hot Wheels to its new owner. We got her strapped up here in the trailer, all nice and clean, ready to go. And we're getting ready to make that long haul where the new owner is going to take Hot Wheels. He's going to have some fun with it and take it to another level. But before we get started, make sure you hit like and subscribe if you're enjoying my content. Let's get into it. Had to grab my disinfectant, my little kit. Got to make sure I have gloves and disinfectant, you know, protects me, protects him, you know, in this time of craziness. So, you know, yeah. Alright, so we just got here, which is where Sean and I decided to go ahead and meet for a neutral ground, him to get Hot Wheels. So we're going to take some time, we're going to get it out of the trailer and get it offloaded for him. I'll send him a text message. Like I said, with all this virus stuff going on, it's just best to practice distancing. So I'm going to drop it, I'm going to wipe it down real good with gloves and virus, or with disinfectant spray. And way I don't take a chance and he doesn't take a chance and nobody gets sick or whatever. But anyways, well, it makes me kind of sad that we actually have to unstrap it one more time for the last time, but you know, it's going to a good home. We're going to take it out of the trailer here and get it wiped down and yeah, say goodbye. Hate saying goodbye to it because it was such a good car, but you know, it was fun while it lasted, but it is what it is. I'll get a little bit of footage of Sean and him driving it away or whatever, but you know, then I'll end the video on some discussion with it. So. All right, so we're here with Sean. Sean's the guy who is the new owner of Project Hot Wheels. We're trying to maintain our distance because we both have kids and we both have, you know, families, so we both respected each other enough to bring disinfectant and gloves and to spray everything, and I went through and sprayed everything. Anyway, so what do you think?
Love it.
I mean, this car's gonna fly for him, and I just, you know, obviously if you had any issues with it, I'm there for you. I fully expect you to have a lot of fun with it. I've done enough to it to, you know, keep it, the longevity part of it, especially with the cracking headers and some of the things that happen, just that are just a PETA to deal with on these cars. So, but you know, he's gonna take it to another level. Maybe get some new headlights, maybe black out the fog lights, change the hood. I think he's got a handful of things he was about to do to it. So
yeah, I got a handful of things I want to do. None of which are really defined yet. Want to get in this thing, hammer down on it, see how she likes, see what she likes, see how I like it. Haven't even driven the car yet. Don't care. Dan built the damn car, and I love this fucking car. That's all there is to it. I appreciate it. Sorry, Dan.
That's cool, man.
Get anywhere near you.
That's fine.
We gotta social distance ourselves. But this Corona thing is for real, and it sucks. Yeah. You know, a lot of us are freaked out. So, you know, this is really cool for Dan to actually deliver this car, come on down, and bring it in a time where, you know, I need a car in a garage to play with, you know, and
He's got a lot of cleaning to do.
Got a lot of cleaning to do. But this is clean, man. This clean. This me and my boy, my little 7-year-old, we're gonna get out, wax it up, put some Hot Wheels stickers on it.
There you go.
You know, it's Hot Wheels.
It is Hot Wheels.
It's cool.
I think I named it Hot Wheels because it had that stupid flamethrower thing in there. Because it just looked like a Hot Wheel. It looked like a car that I would play with when I was like 10 years old.
Yeah. My old boy sitting back over there with the wife. He's loving this car. He wants to come over here so bad and eyeball it. Get in it, start doing some burnouts and some old Donny-Dones.
So I mean, the only thing is we just tuned it, so there's no issues with it. The only thing that I've ever had an issue with is starts, runs, stops. Starts, runs, it's fine. Don't ask me why I did that. That's cool. No problems, no smoke, no problems. But yeah, let's get in it, start it up. Let me see what you think. I'm gonna shut this hood. No problem, see? Pull it up. I've already sprayed everything down. getting stopped. Let's see what he says. Well, it's all right, isn't it? She gone. She gone. Hey, how's the gauges look? Look good, huh?
Look good. Gauges
180, 50 pounds of pressure.
Everything's looking good.
Drives like a Cadillac. Gotta say goodbye. All right, Sean, so what do you think?
Love it. We got along real good. Love this little car.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that right now.
So what do you say you plan on maybe doing to it?
Well, he knows a lot of things, but I guess I just gotta
Figure out where you're
kind of figure it out. I got things. I got Celine wheels. I got annies in chrome. I'm starting to like, now that I'm in its presence, I'm starting to like the way it looks. I don't know.
That's the theme of it.
But
That's
yeah,
what we got.
The hood is definitely getting painted, or we're gonna go Storm and Norman, or maybe a cowl.
So many choices.
I know there's so many choices. You can buy stuff. You got money, throw it at it. Boom.
Yeah.
A lot of things I don't have to do, which is really nice. But as far as the overall look of the car, probably Celine wing or Cobra with a Cobra rear bumper. Definitely Cobra rear bumper. Don't know if it's getting a Cobra wing or a Celine wing. I have a Celine wing, so that's probably would be more advantageous to throw that on there.
This is the disease we all have.
I have 4. This is 4 right here. And that lady right there hates me for it, but it is what it is.
They're gonna love that.
But this is gonna be the final car. I'm gonna get rid of. I got a turbo vert. I got an '89 project, and I got a '93 carbureted car. It's beautiful. It's blue. It's right now got the chrome annies on it. It's a gorgeous car, but it's one of them projects too. So those got to go. This is a car that's pretty much already done, and I can just.
At least driveline, you don't have to mess with it.
Driveline's good, man. This thing, I just took it out for a rip, and I got to tell you.
On 9 pounds.
On 9 pounds, I got to tell you, anybody that's, my vert's got 5, and I thought it was fast. This thing's almost uncontrollable if you don't know what you're doing when you're driving. So
You will be
out there
in search of
on
crowd
9
or
pounds,
tree if you're not careful.
Yeah, you did a damn good job building this
I
car.
appreciate it.
This thing's put together well.
I hate to see it go.
I bet you do. But it's going, yeah.
It's going to a good home.
You'll see it. You'll see it again. You'll see it again, and you'll hear about it.
Hopefully not in a pop can style. I've seen a lot of those. All right.
I hope not, man. I love it.
All right.
Good build.
All right. I really miss that car. You know why I'm gonna miss that car? Because that car was simple. Like in my other video, I've mentioned, that car was simple, guys. I didn't spend $3,500 on the top end. I focused all my attention on machining, making sure that the specs were right. Took a lower mileage motor that had probably the best possible motor. Was tight, man. Long story short, I mean, the car was just fast. Some Fox bodies are just fucking fast. That car was fast. I mean, this baby right here, she fast. And it's the same thing. Project Hot Wheels is literally the same thing of what I've done to this car 8 years ago. I kept it simple. I did GT40 heads and GT40 intake, no cam, just stock cam. So, you know, F3 rockers, which is the 172 Cobra rockers, all Ford parts. Beat the shit out of them for years. 1090s, 1050s, 1020s, 10 teens, 990s, right into a 351 build. 990s, 970s, 950s, 940s. Where do we stop? Where do you stop? Where do you draw the line? I actually want to do my own video like that. But where do you draw the line? I had to draw the line in the sand with Hot Wheels. That was my 3rd turbo car. I got my white car sitting behind these boxes over here, and I got my black car getting ready for a 410 stroker. Where do you draw the line? I love Project Hot Wheels. I know Sean will take care of Project Hot Wheels. Driveline set. I beat the snot out of that thing, making it right. But I kept it simple, stupid. Simple. I did a whole video on building its motor right in front of you. Simple. Spend your money on the tune and the supporting mods. Good clutch, maybe a 3550 trans. That's the only thing Project Hot Wheels is missing, really. How the fuck is that T5 still alive? That's embarrassing almost. It's like, man, I'm making 500 wheel torque and this T5 still ain't broke. And Sean has it and he still ain't broke it. If you know how to drive a stick, you won't break a T5 early. I mean, if you beat the snot out of it, you will. But I mean, if you respect it a little bit and respect the fact that it's got a little fragility to it, you'll have it for a while. And I built that T5 with spare parts that I wouldn't put in a transmission for a customer. It had chips on the gears. I couldn't make this shit up any better. It was not, I mean, it's a T5. Put the supporting mods in it that I put in every one of my customer transmissions when I built them for T5 swaps. Got a little clutch in it. It's got a little slipper to it. I did a Spec 2 Plus with a Center Force organic disc. Little hybrid setup. I'm going to miss that car, but you know what? It went to a good home. Guy owns 4 Fox bodies, as you've seen. I really hope and look forward to, maybe doing a little reunion with it someday. So I do appreciate you guys following along with that build. That build's kind of over now. As you guys know, we're moving over to get Black Car back on the road. Because we're going 410 stroker. She's beautiful, but she's a little dirty right now today. I can't wait to get this thing back on the road. Might go ahead and take these fucking stickers off finally. But in my defense, every one of those stickers were earned. See them? They're all earned. They're not just some bullshit. I had to put them on if I wanted to race. Or if I had to win a race. I'm telling you. So, I do appreciate you. And have a good night.